Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys, I am coming back to you all with a opening and review for my MAYBAG glam bag. As you all know, everybody does tend to get things a little bit differently inside of their bag, so I just wanted to take you all with me and show you all the ingredients that I had inside of my glam bag for this month. If you all want to see all of the items inside of my glam bag, stay tuned. So the first part of the opening is the bag. This is where all the ingredients are held. And it is postage stamp themed, which is really, really cute. You have all the different types of postage stamps on them. And then on the back is a orangish coralish color, and it has IPSY here on the bottom. Very nice. Now, the very first item inside of my IPSY glam bag. This is the Dead Sea Mud Mask. Meet mud, your skin's new best friend. As you all can see, I'm definitely going to try this tonight once I get all of this taken off. Next product inside of my IPSY glam bag. This is the Pretty Woman nail polish. It's in the color Electric Love. It's a really sharp, dark purple color. Very cute. I'm going to go ahead and put this on this is going to be my next toenail color. Item number 3. We have the Huda Beauty lip contour, and this is in the color Trophy Wife. So this is the Huda Beauty lip contour pencil. Let's go ahead and swatch. Wow, very pigmented, very pretty. So this is the color, again, Trophy Wife, and it's a pinkish color. I really like this color. I think this color will go with anything. It's more of like a nudish pink. You can wear it during the day when it's sunny out, wear it when it's raining out, date night. You know, this is the type of color that you can mix and match with almost anything, and it might go. Very, very pigmented pink, and I really, really like this color, so I'm going to try this here very soon. My next item. Now, I don't know what exactly the color is, but I do know it's blue. What kind of blue? I don't know. I don't know exactly what color blue it is unless I'm just missing it here on the packaging, as you all just saw prior, but here is the packaging. Let's go ahead and swatch. Now, I don't know what kind of a blue this is, but it does look very, very eccentric, and I called it Aquarius blue. I don't know for the life of me what the color is unless I'm missing it some type of way, but this is a very, very, very light, eccentric blue. It's fun, it's cool, it's crazy, and I'm definitely going to use this again. Last and final product. This is the Air Repair Complexion Quenching Facial Mist. Now, usually you would use this once your makeup is done, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch for you all. Now, it doesn't really have a smell or anything to it, but I have used this on my face before, and I do like it. Now, the only thing is it does tend to make me a little bit more oily when I put it on, but other than that, I think it's really, really good. So those were all the ingredients inside of my IPSY glam bag. Make sure you all leave me a comment and let me know some of the items that you all received this month of May, the items that maybe you received prior to today. I'm really curious to know what other people have received in their IPSY glam bag. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below, as I've said before, and see you all next time.